Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay, I have, I have switched the network. Now it's okay, maybe. The bandwidth is looking good. The signal is looking good. I don't know.
yes, yes, sir.
Okay, after completion of this subject, BI, you will become a data scientist. Do you know what is the scope of BI? Do you know what is the highest paid job in the world?
No, sir.
The highest paid job in the world is data scientist. If you are good enough to complete this subject properly, if you are good enough to understand the things properly, and if you have converted yourself as a good data scientist, you can also have a scope to have better earning. संसारमा सबैभन्दा बढी पैसा कमाउने जब भनेको आजको दिनमा डेटा साइन्टिस्ट हो वर्ल्डमै। अमेरिकामा सबभन्दा बढी जब पाउने र सबभन्दा हाइएस्ट पेड स्यालेरी पनि यो बीआई नै हो।
So कति छ स्यालेरी छ मिनिमम?
कति छ भनेको?
स्यालेरी कति छ मिनिमम?
I think it was minimum $70,000 I think.
Per year?
Year. विदेशतिर यस्तो big amount मा जहिले नि दिएको। Wait for some moment, okay? I had a call from the coordinator. I have a call from coordinator, okay? Hello. Hello, sir. Good morning. Yes, sir. Oh, sorry. म क्लासमा छु सर 101 सर ब्लक ए हैन फिजिकल हैन सर म क्लासमा बसेर अनलाइन क्लास लिइरहेको छु सर अहिले त मेरो बीआई को क्लास छ सर आजबाट मेरो मैले हेरेको छ 9:30 देखि 9:30 देखि 10:30 सम्म हाम्रो उसको के रे 4th सेमेस्टर को छ नि सर A+B I have just completed sir ए सेक्सन सी मा छ सर ए मलाई त उसे ए होइन सर उसे मलाई त त्यो चाहिँ मलाई थाहै थिएन सर मेरो यसमा लिंक पनि उसे त्यो मलाई थाहा भएन सर टाइमिङ चाहिँ उसे भए मसँग अहिले आएको लेटेस्ट टाइमिङ अनुसार र उ अनुसार चाहिँ यही नै थियो सर ए ए ए ए थियो थियो मैले त्यसमा हेरेको थिएँ सर त्यसमा हेरेको थिएँ फर फ्यु क्लासेस भनेर मात्र हेरेको थिएँ के हैन अनि फेरि त्यो रिप्लेसमेन्ट ए ए ओके सर ओके then what shall I do then sir अहिले चाहिँ अब खासै भन्यो यो अहिले 9:30 देखि 10:30 सम्मको टाइम चाहिँ त्यो मैले फ्यु डेजको लागि मात्रै त्यो 4th सेमेस्टरको छ त्यो कम्प्लिट भइसक्यो चाहिँ सायद मैले बुझेको चाहिँ के भने सर अहिले हजुरले भनेको सेक्सन सी चाहिँ त्यो टाइममा होला यो टाइम चाहिँ बीआई मेरो फ्री टाइम थियो त्यही भएर यसलाई म्यानेज गरे होला मैले त्यो बुझे सर ए now what can I do shall I quit now हजुर हजुर सर हुन्छ सर अनि मलाई एक्चुअली इन्फर्म पनि गर्नु है त नोटिफाई गरिदिनु है त ओके सर हस् हस् हेलो
Hello, sir.
hello guys
Hello, sir.
okay we have some confusion I think between me and the management है सायद तिमीहरुको क्लास यो म बीआई चाहिँ म नै लिन्छु हैन आज चाहिँ मै लिन्छु हैन सायद मेरो 2-3टा क्लास यतापट्टि अर्को एउटा क्लासको चाहिँ मेरो सिद्धिन लागेको थियो अनि सरले त्यो टाइमिङ बेसिसमा त मलाई यो सेड्युल गरेको जस्तो लागेको थियो होइन, तर फेरि अर्को एउटा क्लास पनि रहेछ आज त आई विल कन्टिन्यू विथ यु गाइज, डोन्ट वरी होइन। अनिखेर यो सायद एक दुई दिन मलाई आज सरले उ गर्नुहुन्छ हाम्रो उ चाहिँ टाइमिङ चाहिँ मेबी वी मे हेभ अ चेन्ज इन टाइम है, एक दुई दिनमा सायद होइन, डोन्ट वरी आई विल कभर योर होल सब्जेक्ट होइन।
सर हाम्रो 7 to 10:30 प्याक छ नि त।
7 to 10:30
सर सबै प्याक छ।
हाम्रो लगातार 7 to 10:30 सम्म क्लास छ।
होइन होइन ठिक छ, मेरो पनि
बिआईको
नो इट्स ओके, मेरो पनि खासै भन्यो भने 7 to 10:30 सम्म प्याक थियो होइन, अहिले भर्खर म 10:30 गरिरहेको हो होइन। यो 9:30 to 10:30 को चाहिँ मेरो अर्को एउटा क्लास थियो क्या, अनि सर र मेरोमा के कन्फ्युजन भएछ भने 9:30 र 10:30 को जुन सब्जेक्ट छ नि सरले म्यानेज गर्न बिर्सिनु भएछ, अनि त्यसको ठाउँमा अर्को क्लास हालिदिनु भएछ, अनि त्यो अर्को क्लासको स्टुडेन्टले चाहिँ दे आर सिकिङ फर मी क्या, अनि त्यही भएर उतापट्टि हाम्रो कोअर्डिनेटर सरलाई चाहिँ हाम्रो क्लास भएन भनेर उतातिर म्यासेज गर्छ, एन्ड आई हेभ बिन टेकिङ योर क्लासेस राइट नाउ होइन, यो केही मिस्टेक भएछ, दे विल म्यानेज द टाइम बाई द इभिनिङ होइन, आजको इभिनिङसम्ममा सरले म्यानेज गर्छु भन्नुभएको छ, दे विल रिलिज सम इन्फर्मेसन रिगार्डिङ द टाइमिङ है त, मेबी वी मे कन्टिन्यू बाई द 10:30 to 11:30 मेबी यही टाइमै हुन्छ हाम्रो चाहिँ, डोन्ट वरी है त।
यस्तो पनि हुन्छ र सर?
You are not getting me, I think so. Everything is okay. 7:30 to 10:30 somewhere you guys are packed, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And me too. Mom पनि त्यो टाइममा प्याक्दै छु। I will continue your this period 10:30 to 11:30 म यो यसमा तिमीलाई नै कन्टिन्यू गर्छु, सायद एउटा दुईटा क्लासको के समस्या भएछ सरको होइन, सरले इन्फर्म गर्छु भन्नुभएको छ, आज इभिनिङसम्म मलाई इन्फर्म गर्नुहुन्छ, यो क्लास र यो टाइमिङ चाहिँ बोथ आर रिजर्भ फर मी, डोन्ट वरी है, टाइमिङ एन्ड सब्जेक्ट आर रिजर्भ फर मी, बट दे आर नट एबल टु म्यानेज द टाइम प्रपरली, मेबी इट इज जस्ट बिकज अफ इट होइन, डोन्ट वरी, यो क्लासमा तिमीहरूको नै ऊ हुन्छ, तर अब सरले त टाइमिङ मिलाउनुहुन्छ। इज द्याट ओके?
Okay, sir.
Okay, now we are talking about the BI, isn't it? हाम्रो नेपालमा चाहिँ BI लाई के भन्छ त? डेटा साइन्टिस्ट पनि भन्छ, डेटा एनालिस्ट पनि भन्छ, and it is the highest paid job in the world. Highest paid. If you are good enough in this particular subject, you can have a very good living in your life. मैले भनिरहेको छु हैन, and it has a very good scope. Do you know how much money do our organization that lies in our country? They are also paying very good salary for the BI. We can demand more than 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakhs, 1 or 2, 3 lakhs, whatever, as per your profile. You can ask for as per your skill, isn't it? हैन, नेपालमा पनि यसको स्कोप एकदमै राम्रो छ, र BI भनेको हाम्रो देशमा चाहिँ एकदमै बिग अर्गनाइजेसनले मात्रै लिन्छ कि त मल्टिनेसनल कम्पनीहरुले हायर गर्छ, that's why it has a very good scope in our life. Now, what is the use of BI then? So, we have a very good scope in BI. Why it is so? What is the uses of BI now? With the help of BI, we can visualize billions of data. We can visualize billions of data within a very few period of time, and can make an appropriate decision based on that data. Let's take an example. For example, here, suppose if you have to consider the information of all Nepalese, 3 crore Nepalese.
Hello.
Hello. Yes.
Sound.
Sound. Okay. So in order to visualize the data, if we have to consider billions of data, if you take an example of the population census, हाम्रो population census भयो 3 करोड नेपालीको information collection गर्यो, and if we have, and you are the leader, or if you are the decision maker and to take a decision regarding the information that you have achieved through the data collection, how much time will you take to understand the entire data and to interpret it? How much time do just take again? Just please. Okay, madam. If you are given 3 crore data, 3 crore data, if you are given the information of 3 crore population of Nepalese, how much time will you take to understand and to make appropriate decision? Hello, Madhav, are you getting me? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Will you take to understand the entire data? Suppose
Maybe
okay,
huge amount of time.
Huge amount of time. First of all, in order to make an appropriate decision, first of all, we have to understand the entire data, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
If we lack
Yes,
understanding, yes. If we lack understanding, the decision taken by you would be a wrong in a long run, isn't it? And if we ignore the data, if we ignore some portion of data, again, what will happen? Whatever decision that we have taken would be high, there would be a higher chances of failure, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
यस्ता धेरै कुराहरू प्रब्लम हुन्छ नि हैन हामीले डेटालाई सबै if we have to consider all the data that we have collected, and it has to be considered, isn't it, in order to take an appropriate decision or in order to make an accurate decision. And BI helps us to forecast the future as well. अब BI ले चाहिँ के गर्न सक्छ त मैले भने नि अघि तिमीले भने it will take a huge time, but in the case of me, it will take no more than 1 hour to understand the entire data and to make an appropriate decision if it is needed for me. How it is possible? It is just possible because of BI. With the help of BI, we can understand not only the crores of information, billions and billions of information. We can understand billions and billions of information within a very few period of time, maybe 5 minutes or maybe 1 minute also. Within a period of 1 minute or 2 minutes or 5 minutes, we can understand thousands or lakhs or millions of data, and we can present them as per the requirement of the decision maker. Yes, Rahul, please go ahead.
Is it possible only 1 minute time?
Yes, it is possible. Don't worry. One day we'll have a class, and even in our subject, you guys also need to develop one BI or any application software that you have developed for another subject. It doesn't matter, but you can integrate some features of BI into that particular application software that you have developed in other subject, no matter. And you can convert the application software that you have developed into the BI as well. Yes, you can. And I will show you how to visualize the data, billions of data. I will demonstrate how to develop the software. I will demonstrate you how to visualize the data, and I will demonstrate you how to analyze the whole data and make an appropriate decision. I will show you. Don't worry, guys. In the day to come, I'll show you practically. Isn't it very excited? That is why
Yes,
BI
sir.
that is why BI is very much significant, and it has a
Sir,
Yes.
so why it is named business intelligence? Why not data analyst?
Okay.
Like intelligence sounds like management subject.
No. The term business intelligence has a broad sense, very broad sense. It doesn't signify only to the software. It is the integration of software plus processes as well. It integrates software plus process plus various methodology that is used to perform the tasks in the organization. यसले चाहिँ हामी नर्मली चाहिँ BI भनेर बिजनेस इन्टेलिजेन्स भनेर सोच्दाखेरि नर्मली चाहिँ we think about the software. Okay, the information system that is used by the bank is also considered as a BI. Are you getting me, guys? The information system that is used by the commercial bank nowadays at current situation, or most of the software that is used by any organization can be considered as a BI. But in order to become a BI, it has to be embedded some features. What are those features? We'll discuss about it thoroughly, don't worry. In order to become a BI, it has to be embedded with some features. And we will demonstrate that we will add some feature into the application software that we have designed. And if we are able to add some features that is of business intelligence to the application software that we have developed, then we can also make an appropriate decision into our organization considering any size of data. Considering any size of data, whatever the size of the data that lies, no matter into our database management system, we will consider all those data, and based on all those data, we visualize it and then present them as per the requirement of the users. We can do that. And हामी उसबाट पनि हामी BI को सर्टेन चीजहरु चाहिँ हामी एप्लिकेसनहरु हामी एक्सेल बाट पनि डेभलप गर्न सक्छौं हैन र एक्सेल बाट चाहिँ BI डेभलप गर्यो भने चाहिँ आजको दिनमा चाहिँ BI को लागि चाहिँ अलरेडी इनबिल्ट सिस्टमहरु पनि अवेलेबल छ तर हामी आफै चाहिँ के गर्छौं त हामी एक्सेल बाट पनि BI चाहिँ के डेभलप गर्छौं त एक्सेल बाट BI गर्न सक्यो भने अबको दिनमा त्यो भन्दा पछाडी चाहिँ तिमीले अब बाँकी चाहिँ जुनसुकै एप्लिकेसन सफ्टवेयर डाइरेक्ट कति छ हैन त्यसैबाट पनि हामीलाई डिसिजन मेकिङमा सपोर्ट गर्न चाहिँ सक्छौं तर हामी आफै पनि त के गर्न सक्छौं त हामी BI मा चाहिँ हामी BI आफैले पनि we can develop by ourselves and visualize the data and take an appropriate decision as per the requirement of the organization. We can do that. Is that okay? हामीलाई यति त थाहा भयो what is अघि तिमीले भने नि हैन BI भनेको okay. This is the discussion. What does it signify? What does BI signifies? Does it signifies to the software or what else? Hardware. As per your understanding, will you please let me know?
Software.
Okay. What about Ganesh Chaudhary? What you have understood? BI signifies software or hardware or both of it?
Software.
Only software?
I don't know, sir.
You don't know.
I think both.
Both, yes, both. BI consists of both hardware, software, not only hardware and software, but also, look at here, but also along with the various activities of the organization also embedded in the BI. And it will regulate the function of the employees as well. BI is capable of proper managing the whole process of the organization. BI is capable of managing the whole process or whole activities of the organization as well. Regulate with BI. Let's take an example of BI. The software that is used. The software that is used in a bank, that is also considered as a BI. That is also considered as a BI. Now, in order to become BI, what are the basic features that has to be embedded? We will discuss in the tomorrow's class. हामी भोलि चाहिँबाट चाहिँ हामी thoroughly हामी उ गर्छौं हैन. And there are various type of information system available. अब त्यसमा पनि BI चाहिँ अब we have to cover different type of BI. BI पनि त different type को हुन्छ. And we will discuss about its functionality. What are the functionality of BI? Or in order to become BI, what are the functionalities that has to be embedded? We will discuss about that. We will discuss about the backend of the backend as well. It also falls into the BI. And that backend signifies database, isn't it? Where the data is managed. It is also falls into the BI, along with the work process of the organization, that also falls into the BI. So we'll go through the syllabus by tomorrow, don't worry. So if you that what I'm saying to you, yes, Rahul, please go ahead.
I didn't get one thing. So business intelligence, why it is called business intelligence? Why not data analyst? Other
Okay. Data analysis चाहिँ भनिएन तर business intelligence चाहिँ किन भन्नु, although it is dealing with the data हैन, तिम्रो कन्सर्न यही हो नि हैन?
Yes sir.
Okay, data analysis र BI मा के फरक छ भने data analysis analyst को काम चाहिँ data लाई मात्रै कन्सिडर गर्छ. It will ignore other part of the other part. Data analyst ignore other part rather than the data. Data बाहेक अरु चिजलाई हुँदैन. Data analyst. They have no give and take with the process, or they have no give and take with the organizational structure. They have no give and take with the organization. Do they? Organization को structure जस्तो सुकै होस् न, data analyst लाई यो कुरा मतलब हुन्छ र हुँदैन नि त. But in the case of BI, they have to consider it. Why? Because BI is used because there is always space for improvement in anywhere, isn't it? There is always space for improvement. Is there any place where there is no use of improvement? Can you convey any example? संसारमा यो सबैभन्दा पर्फेक्ट चीज यो छ, त्यसमा फर्दर इम्प्रुभमेन्ट चाहिँदैन भन्ने केही चीज छ होला त? छैन नि हैन. र BI ले चाहिँ के गर्छ त, ओभरअल हेर्छ, पुरै अर्गनाइजेसन त्यसको स्टेक होल्डर सबैलाई कन्सिडर गर्छ BI ले चाहिँ. But in the case of data analyst, it ignores everything except data. Now, are you getting me now?
Yes sir.
How है data analyst ले चाहिँ data लाई मात्र कन्सर्न हुन्छ भने चाहिँ business intelligence मा चाहिँ पुरै business को process पनि त्यसमा चाहिँ embedded हुन्छ. That is why we have to consider in the study of BI all the organizational structure, all the business activities. We have to integrate all these things through the information system. र तिम्रो यो क्वेशन चाहिँ हामी सायद maybe tomorrow we will discuss few slides and you'll get the answer of it. Okay, don't worry, you'll get the proper answer. Okay, I'll show you some. Okay, wait for the moment.
Sir.
Yes, please go ahead.
So how would be the assignment of this business intelligence? We need to make a software.
You guys need to maintain some database, and if you are able to maintain a good application software, then it would be the best one. And if you are able to if you are able to code a new application program, and if you want to embed it, or if you want to convert this particular application software into the BI, you have to embed some features of BI to the application that you have developed in order to regulate the whole organization in the perfect manner, or in order to manage the performance of the organization. Data analyst ले चाहिँ data लाई मात्रै consider गर्छ भने Yes.
So
go ahead.
application could be Windows application and web application, both.
Both.
Okay.
Both. It has to support both. And one more interesting of BI is that it can accept the live data of another sites also. Another website. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Suppose
sir.
if something is updating currently, then BI will take data instantly from that particular sources as well. And it has a capability.
For example, football cricket score.
Yeah, of course. Okay, football, you have spoken about the dashboard, isn't it? The scoreboard, you are talking about the scoreboard, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
In the business intelligence, to which we consider it as a dashboard. And it is a basic feature of the BI. BI हुनलाई त्यो features हुनुपर्छ भन्छ. त्यो features पनि we can add it. We can म तिमीहरुलाई dashboard बनाउनलाई एक्सेल बाट हामी dashboard बनाउँछौं नि, don't worry. Dashboard बाट तिमी बनाउँछौ. Dashboard बनाउँछौं अनि गिवन डेटा बाट चाहिँ कसरी अपडेट गरेर चाहिँ जति मैले भने नि अघि बिलियन्स अफ बिलियन्स डेटालाई पनि कन्सिडर गर्न सकिन्छ. We can visualize billions of billions data within a less than 1 minute. I'm talking about less than 1 minute. मैले भनिरहेको छु हैन. Within a second मा हुन्छ यस्ता कुराहरु. तरिका चाहियो हैन. तरिका चाहियो अनि डेटालाई कसरी भिजुअलाइज गर्ने, कसरी अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड गर्ने अनि based on that information how to make an appropriate decision for our organization or for our own sake, isn't it? And we will do this thing, don't worry. मैले तिमीलाई एउटा उ देखाउँदै DCIT. Okay.
Sir.
Yes, please go ahead.
So what are the
Yes.
tools we need in this business intelligence practical?
Tools. There are various tools that are used, such as dashboard. Dashboard is also one of the tools. I'll show you the wait for a moment. Wait for some moment, okay? Is my desktop being shared with you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, look at here. Let's go through its definition. BI encompasses a wide variety of tools. Wide variety of tools. What are those tools? I'll show you in the next slide, okay? Don't worry. BI encompasses a wide variety of tools. Application means it is the integration of not only tools, it is the integration of tools, application, and methodologies, isn't it? That enables organization to collect data, which enables organization to collect data from internal system and external sources. As we know that organization keep on collecting the data either from internal sources or from external sources or sometimes simultaneously, isn't it? So BI encompasses a wide variety of tools, application, and methodology that enables organization to collect data from internal system and external sources. Why? Prepare it for analysis. Prepare it for analysis. So why do we need BI? To analyze the data, isn't it? Develop and run queries. With the help of BI, we can develop and run various queries. Against what? Against that data, the data that we have collected, isn't it? And with the help of BI, helps us to create report. So with the help of BI, on the basis of data that are collected by the lower level employees in the organization, with the help of BI, it will create reports, dashboards, and data visualization. It can create reports, dashboards, and data visualization to make the analytical results available to corporate decision maker as well as operational worker. Who is the target worker? Who is the target customer of the BI? Both decision maker at the organization. That may be of top level management, or maybe of middle level manager, or maybe of lower level employees as well. Now, look at here, BI system at a glance. So look at here in this picture, BI consists of various tools and technology. That is why I have said that it is a set of application, tools, and methodology. Okay, isn't it? So how we have defined BI? BI as a integration of tools, data, technology, methodology, tools, all this. It is the integration of tools, application software, or application along with the methodology. Methodology signifies the process, isn't it? Methodology ले जहिले पनि केलाई indicate गर्छ त? Process लाई signify गर्छ नि हैन? So BI system component at a glance. So BI is an integration of data storage and management. So in order to store data and manage the data, we need to use various tools: data, relational database, data warehouse, data modeling, data governance, data integration, ETL, data quality, metadata, master data, data visualization. These are the components of BI tools, isn't it? Likewise, query, OLAP. OLAP means online analytical processing. OLAP, business analytics, statistics, data mining, text mining, and visual analytics are the analytical processing. These are the tools used to analyze the data. Likewise, the outcomes of the BI comes in the form of report. Sorry?
So what is OLAP?
OLAP, online analytical processing. You अब कसरी हुन्छ, how it performs, how it is happening, or how does it perform? Don't worry, guys. We'll discuss thoroughly one by one to each and every component of this. हाम्रो यो BI छ नि, यो अहिले मैले देखाएको यो पिक्चर छ नि, हाम्रो यो BI यति भित्रमै हाम्रो यो complete LO1, LO2, LO3, LO4 छ नि. LO4 is associated with the information technology rules and regulation formulated by the government. This is our subject matter for LO4. Whereas in the case of LO3, there are different. We have to study about the various types of information system. Information system means different type of BI. And LO2 and LO1, we have to study about the various data storage and management techniques, analytical processing tools such as presentation tools such as reports, information visualization, dashboard, scoreboard, strategy map. All these tools are the part of, or they are the component of the BI. Likewise, they can manage and deliver the result through the website, reporting server, application server, BI server, portal, or Excel services. And who will use the users with application, browser, desktop app, mobile app, email, etc., and devices, computer, tablet, phone, printouts, etc. And this is the outcome, of the BI. Performance management, benchmarking, market research, CRM, customer relation management, strategic management, website analytics. These are the applications of BI. So don't worry, we'll cover it since from the very beginning. Don't worry. For the L1, we have L1 is too long. It has 180 slides. But L2, L3, and L4, they are very less. I have mentioned various topics of the syllabus into this L1. That is why, because L1 is a broad syllabus. That is why we'll go thoroughly through this. Don't worry. I will accomplish this whole topics, whole subject within a given time for me. Maybe within a 50 to 70 classes, 50 to 60 classes, maybe. Even I think I even don't need all those periods. I don't know about the online, physically भएको भए त म यो सबै BI को यो whole syllabus I can accomplish within a 20-30 classes maybe. It won't be a problem for me to cover whole syllabus, to make you understand what is BI, what are the uses of BI, how can we use BI, and we will demonstrate it as well. We will learn how to visualize the data, what are the tools used to visualize the data. We'll discuss about it, don't worry. So, in order to become once you are very good in BI, you can become a very good data scientist. Why it is so? You can become a very good in terms of software. You can become a very good in terms of business activities, because in order to become a BI, you need to know each and every process of the organization. Because why do organization apply BI? Organization use, look at here, organization use BI in order to enhance or in order to make a better decision into a big data complexities, एकदमै डेटा धेरै भयो, डेटाको कम्प्लेक्सिटी अघि भने नि 3 करोड नेपालीको पपुलेसनलाई उ गरेर पपुलेसन सेन्सस भयो र त्यसको डेटा एनालाइसिस गर्नु पर्यो भने पनि if we lack BI, then we need a lot of time to analyze those data. But if we are good at BI, then no matter the size of the data, we can visualize them within a very less period of time. Okay, guys, I will recommend you to download some BI in your mobile. Okay, guys, do you know about the application software Nepali Paisa? Hello.
So what?
Nepali Paisa.
So what? Once more.
Will you please download one application software, application program that is also considered as a BI? Nepali Paisa. Mobile मा गएर एकचोटी नेपाली पैसा भन्ने एउटा एप्लिकेसन सफ्टवेयर छ हैन, स्टक मार्केटसँग रिलेटेड. सबैजनाले चाहिँ एकचोटी यो सबैले आफ्नो मोबाइलमा डाउनलोड गर त. एन्ड टुमोरो यो हेरेर अनि मलाई भोलि चाहिँ इन्फर्म गरौँ. I will ask some questions regarding that application software to you. Until and unless you are not familiar with the BI.
So मेरो लगानी छ मेरो.
हजुर. Hello.
So मेरो लगानी छ सर मेरोमा.
तिम्रोमा चाहिँ मेरो लगानी छ.
हजुर.
Do you involve in the stock market?
No sir, I the market
Yes,
trade.
Okay. Among you guys who are involved in the stock market, either primary market or secondary market, will you please let me know?
Yes, sir. I just started.
IPO market?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. We can. There are more than 200 students who is following me in this regard, in the stock market, in the regard of stock market. I'm in the stock market for last 20 years, maybe nearly 20 years. I had completed my MBA by 2062, and then afterwards, I'm continuously involved in this. I had completed means I had started stock market by 1960s. Now it is 17, nearly 18 years I have completed. So we can have a very good conversation regarding stock market and it. Guys, will you please मैले सबैलाई भनिरहेको छु है सबैले चाहिँ नेपाली पैसा भन्ने एप्लिकेसन सफ्टवेयर चाहिँ मोबाइलमा डाउनलोड गर्ने है र यो गर्यो भने तिमीहरूलाई बीआई बुझ्नलाई पनि एकदमै सजिलो हुनेछ प्र्याक्टिकली बुझ्न सजिलो हुनेछ यसमा आएको हरेक प्रब्लम सोध्दा मलाई नआएको भने अझ म स्टडी गर्छु हैन बेटर हुन्छ डजन्ट म्याटर आएन भने आएन भन्नुला बरु भोलि डिस्कस गर्न नआएको कुरालाई म यो भनेर I not mislead you guys हैन
So did you make this application Nepali paisa?
No, not me. मैले त यो फ्री एप्लिकेसन सफ्टवेयर हो भनेर तिमीलाई उ मात्रै गरेको र भोलिको लागि हामीलाई चाहिँ बेटर एकदम सजिलो हुन्छ भनेर मात्रै हो I don't have any give and take with this software. But
Sir, which application?
sorry,
Sir, which application are you talking about?
Nepali Paisa.
What does it do?
It helps us to view various information regarding the stock market, and it helps us to track various information, economic information.
I see. Thank you, sir.
You are welcome. So, guys, shall we in this session? Time has expired. Do you have
Yes,
any
sir, yes, of
another
course.
class?
Can.
Do you have any other
Yes, so we
classes
can-
after this?
No, we don't have any class after this.
Okay. So by tomorrow, I hope all of you have a Nepali Paisa application software on your mobile, and it's better to operate. Okay, those Rahul and
Already
Dipendra,
installed it,
those
sir.
who are involved in the stock market, even it's very good for them.
Okay, sir.
है त्यो हेर अपरेट गर त्यस पछाडि त्यसमा भएको फिचर्सहरुको बारेमा हेर अनि त्यो बेसिसमा यु क्यान आस्क मी अ लट अफ क्वेशन रिगार्ड फ्रम दैट पर्सपेक्टिभ फ्रम द प्रेमिस अफ दैट पर्टिकुलर बीआई सफ्टवेयर है त मलाई बुझाउन पनि सजिलो हुन्छ तिमीलाई बुझ्न पनि सजिलो हुन्छ है
Okay, sir.
otherwise we have to pay a big amount for the perfect BI हैन कुनै एउटा बैंकको BI त हामीलाई दिदै दिदैन of course not हैन and this is the software that we can get at free so why not to use to understand to demonstrate various things isn't it
Okay, sir.
okay guys have a good day
Okay, sir. You too.
oh thank you very much so guys
Thank you,
please,
sir.
I request you one more time to download that particular software okay so that you can understand
Already
better
downloaded, sir.
Hazur?
Already downloaded.
Already downloaded. Very good. सबैजना डाउनलोड गर त्यसको बारेमा हेर बुझ हैन you can make your career in this field as well. Yes, Dipendra, do you want to say anything else?
No, sir. I'm fine.
Okay, guys, have a good day once more.
Okay, sir. See you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome, guys. Have a good day.
One moment, sir.
Yes, please go ahead.